My name is David, and this is I Am the Sebro Paracord Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Resound Paracord bracelet. In this tutorial, what you'll need is, if you want to start it off, two different colors like I have here. I have this on a I have this basically cut and singe together to form one piece. The length of the cord that I'm using is about 10 feet. The colors I'm also using are safety orange and I believe this one is goldenrod. I might be wrong, but okay, let's begin. First, you want to start off by making the two-strand core. How I have it here is over under on the cords. The orange is the left side, the goldenrod is the right. This will be my lead cord. And okay, let's begin. What you want to do is you want to make your two-strand core. Like I said, I have this as an over-under loop because of the end. For this, I will use the bottom section down here to complete the rest of the weave. So this one strand through the buckle helps serve as a easier way to close off the end. These will come through at the end and loop off. It makes it look a lot nicer that way. Alright, let's begin. First, you want to take your right cord, as I always do, and you want to bring that over once, twice, and 3 times over. You only loop through the center 2 times. Then you take your orange cord and you bring that through the loop created by the golden cord. You want to make sure it goes through underneath all 3 like that, as seen here. You want to pull the slack out on that, and you want to tighten up the goldenrod like this, or whatever colors you may use. And you want to take the orange cord over, you want to loop over the goldenrod and come up in between the 2 cords, loop it like that, and then you want to bring this cord right through right here. That will make sure that this stays secured to the other side. And you want to hold off on the end, and you want to knot that orange cord, the left side cord, off, and do the same thing for the goldenrod as well. Bring it under and up through the middle and loop it off. You want to make sure you have a good hold on it, and you want to pull the slack out, and you want to try and bring it like that. That'll be the first pass. You'll repeat this process for 7 more times. You can alternate also by doing the orange, or continue with the goldenrod, and that will keep going from left to right, left to right, left to right in a downwards path. Or you can do the orange as well. In this one, I'll be using the orange as the primary for this. I'll be using the goldenrod as the primary for this. I apologize. So 1, second loop, and then pass the orange cord through. this will be my last pass on it. So after this, you can just follow through. And what you want to do once you get down here to the end is basically the same thing that I do for this. You loop under and you come up in between. Once you come down, you'll go over, and it's very simple. You should be able to do it without a problem. And that is how you do it. Just continue to repeat the process, and you should have it done in no time. And as always, my name is David. This is I Am the Cebro Paracord Design. Thank you, and have a nice day.